Hello mga ka-Flex, welcome to our channel, Flex Davao. Today's video, ipakita ko sa inyo ang City Hall ng Davao City. So, nandito po ako sa Davao City Hall noong Martes, March 3. So, nasaksihan ko po yung 3D art or 3D effects ng Davao City Hall. So, hindi ko na lang ni-record yung background music, baka magkaroon ng copyright dito sa YouTube. So, as you can see, iba-iba yung color. So, nakalagay dito 100 years 100 years celebration, or ika 100 years na po yung City Hall ng Davao City. So kaya may nakalagay na 100 years. Then pininturahan na po siya, nagiging white. So parang White House yung dating ng City Hall ng Davao City. So pag tiningnan mo siya pag araw, nakatalagang fully white talaga yung City Hall ng Davao City. Kasi yan kasi ang original color, original paint ng City Hall ng Davao since 1926. And now we are in the year 2026. So yan po talaga yung binalik nila na color, yung white. Then pangalawang rason bakit nagkaroon ng 3D presentation or 3D effects ang Davao City Hall is since we are in the month of March. So ang Davao City ay nag-celebrate ng araw ng Davao. So in line to araw ng Davao celebration, every year or yearly talaga, meron talagang 3D effects or 3D presentation ang Davao City Hall. So yan po ang mga dahilan kung bakit may 3D presentation o 3D effects yung City Hall ng Davao City. So as I witness, napakaganda po. Sino-showcase po yung ano ang meron sa Davao City, ano yung culture, people, events, landmarks, at saka yung identity ng mga Davaoenyo. So through this 3D presentation, showcase or flex kung ano talaga ang the best, ano talaga ang pinaka products, landmarks, or what Davao City can offer. So yan talaga ang ini-aim nitong 3D presentation dito sa Davao City Hall. So siguro mga 2 weeks or 3 weeks, every night may 3D presentation sila dito sa City Hall during this month of March, in celebration of araw ng Davao City, at the same time in celebration of the heritage or the building, the City Hall, yung 100 years yung City Hall ng Davao City. So if you have time, kung taga Davao City ka, you can visit our City Hall here in Davao City. And if you are far away from Davao City, you can visit, or if you have money, if you have time, you can also visit our city. So our city is really accommodating city, people friendly city, and it's really life is here. Dayon kamo dire, you're very much welcome here.